Assalamu alaikum, welcome and karibuni to Aroma of Zanzibar's kitchen. Today we are making this very simple, very delicious coconut macaroons, and I have got 2 egg whites that are in room temperature. Just gonna whisk it a little bit and then I add the sugar, which is granulated sugar, about half a cup, which is 100 grams. So basically I'm just trying to dissolve the sugar before I add the rest of the ingredients. If you find it difficult, you can always use hot water bath to dissolve the sugar into the egg. All right, and then after that I just added my flavoring, which is almond extract, about 3 drops, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You don't have to use both, you can use vanilla alone, but I love the combination of two. All right, then after that we're just going to add the condensed milk. Now I've started with a 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Most recipes call for condensed milk alone, and that is 3/4 of a cup. So if you don't want to use sugar, you can use condensed milk alone, about 3/4 of a cup or more. It depends on the texture that you're looking for. I tried condensed milk alone, but I didn't like it. It's just a bit too much for me. So for the coconut, I've got about 3 cups of coconut. This is unsweetened. That's about 230 grams. Normally this kind of coconut, you will get it in the Asian stores, you know, the Indian stores. This is where you'll find the unsweetened coconut. All right. So you're just going to fold it and mix it well. And you just want the mixture rather, to be a little bit sticky. You should be able to make a shape. Okay, so this is a little bit dry than what I'm looking for, so I added 1 more tablespoon of condensed milk, and then we're just gonna mix it and see. All right, and these are very simple. They are very simple, and they go very fast, and they're so delicious. All right, so after that I'm gonna see if I can make a shape. I forgot to add salt, a pinch of salt, so I just added at this point. And now we are ready. Please make sure that your oven is ready at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 180 Celsius. And let's see if we can make a shape with this. It's perfect. All right, so now I'm just gonna get my tray ready with a parchment paper, and then just gonna make the ball like that. Okay, I'm just gonna make it a little bit, what do I say? I can't find the right word. You know, with a little bit like a point on the top. Okay, so just like that. And these are very quick to make. And they're gonna go in the oven. Mine baked for about 22 minutes, and they're nice and golden. That's what you want them to be. All right, so we're going to let them cool, but you can always serve them like that. It's fine. And once they have cooled, I'm just going to take them out like that, and we're going to dip in the chocolate. The bottoms are dipped in the chocolate. This is not necessary, but they taste amazing with the chocolate. All right, and I have not used any fancy chocolate. I just used normal baking chocolate, and I just melted it, and that's it. And then you're going to let them cool so that the chocolate can dry, and they'll be ready to serve. Yeah, I made this for my children to take to school because I was told that they need some fuel for their brain. So here, after the chocolate has cooled, I'm just going to take them out. And please do not forget to visit the description box below and get the ingredients and the measurements so you can make these beautiful and delicious coconut macaroons. All right, as you can see, and I want to show you, they're a little bit crispy on the top and very soft and moist inside. These are to die for. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. Bye-bye.